Have you ever dreamt about making money while you sleep and having more time to enjoy with your family, doing more things that you like? How about becoming your own boss and having financial freedom? Investing in real estate might just be your golden ticket. There's many benefits to real estate investing, from watching the value of your property grow and appreciate over time, to getting a sweet recurring cash flow from renting it out. The possibilities of generating passive income and reaching financial freedom are very exciting. Let's dive into the fantastic world of real estate and explore why so many are hopping onto this investment train. And if you like this type of content, remember to go ahead and click that subscribe button. So what are the top 5 reasons investing in real estate is the best strategy to achieve financial freedom? We start with the number one benefit that tops our list: appreciation. When you purchase a property, the property may increase in value and over a period of time is worth more than what you bought it for. Simply put, when a property appreciates, it increases in value. Picture this: you buy a house today in a great neighborhood. People keep moving into the area, and in a few years down the line, the value skyrockets. That's what appreciation is all about. The value of your property can grow over time, and if you ever decide to sell, you can be smiling all the way to the bank with more cash than what you started with. When done correctly, appreciation is similar to planting a seed today, taking care of it, and after a few years, watching it grow into a beautiful, healthy tree. That's the magic of real estate appreciation. Next on our list is leverage, using other people's money. By getting a loan and placing a down payment for only a fraction of the total property's price, you still get the benefit of the property's full value. It seems like leverage is some sort of financial magic. Let's say that you want to buy an investment property, so you put down 20% as a down payment. Even though you've only paid a fraction of the total price of the property, you get to enjoy 100% of the property's benefits, like appreciation, cash flow, and the full tax benefits. It's a bit like paying for a slice of the cake, but getting the whole deliciousness for you to enjoy. Implementing leverage in your real estate investing strategy can lead to a whole lot of sweet gains. We continue with cash flow. Simply said, cash flow is the amount of rent that comes in minus all the expenses. What remains is the cash flow. Here's another way to think about it. Imagine having a fountain of money that keeps flowing out cash every single month for as long as it's rented out. That's sort of what renting out your property and receiving cash flow month after month feels like. By leasing out your investment properties, you create a stream of income that continually keeps flowing in. It's almost like getting paid an extra monthly bonus without the exhausting 9-to-5 grind. We move on to depreciation. You might think that tax strategies are dull, but the prospect of saving thousands of dollars a year and increasing your return on investment is actually very exciting. All the materials and components that were used to build the house deteriorate with time. And as time passes, they're worth less and less. They depreciate in value, lowering the value of the building and allowing you to take that as an expense. Owning an investment property can give you certain discounts and savings when you do your taxes. And even though the value of your property might seem to go down on paper, this is actually a good thing since it could lead to savings on your taxes. The government often provides tax incentives for property owners, which means more potential savings for you. Having a rental property is like owning a special key that unlocks certain discounts when tax season rolls around. That's the kind of bonus that you get with a property ownership as a real estate investor. And last but certainly not least, real estate is a physical asset. Real estate is tangible. You can see it, you can touch it, and unlike digital assets like stocks or cryptocurrency, which only exist on digital screens, the appeal of real estate is undeniable. Unlike stocks and crypto that can lose 100% of their value, real estate is tangible and always has value. It's like having a dependable anchor in your financial vehicle that keeps you steady in the ocean's rough waters. It's that needed touch of stability and reality in a sometimes unpredictable investment world. If you want a list with the full explanation of these benefits, you can download them for free on my website in the description below. In the world of different types of financial investment strategies, real estate stands out as a clear winner for many investors. Whether it's the thrill of finding your perfect property, seeing your property's value soar, or the different strategies that make tax season less painful, investing in real estate is more than just numbers on paper. It's about creating financial freedom for you and your family and enjoying the journey along the way. So as you contemplate stepping into this realm, remember, it's not just about bricks and mortar. When you keep educating yourself and you have a solid foundation where to grow, real estate investing is a powerful vehicle that can help you accomplish financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and to learn more about the other benefits of real estate investing on the list, make sure to check out my next video.